Alright, I better videotape this one else I'm getting in trouble.
You guys ain't making no noise for t-shirts flying through the air. Let's make some noise!
Oh, dang it, I was supposed to do that!
As Mike does his final preparation and company in the Enterprise Iron and Metal Mobile.
Woo!
Just about time to turn it gauntlet style. I don't have a track, no.
Why are we having Wig do it?
You guys hear me?
Do you see how he's throwing?
Give me my neck brace. Ben, give me my neck brace. Again, the greatest thing about this is the unknown of the event. You know, how priceless. I don't need it. All right. Can you guys hear me now? Can hear you now. All right.
They don't run out at Portland, how do they run out here?
They only brought like 3 of each
final
size.
preparations of the neck roll of the Elder Mike down in there. They're going to pilot
So, like,
the
12.
Enterprise Iron and Metal machine. It's going to be a blast. He's been working on the track, working on all the details. Now it's time to just sit back and have a great time, I-96 style. The work's done, Mike. It's time to play, big boy. You guys, let's get ready to rumble! Cody, is your dad out there? Is your dad out there, Cody?
Yes,
Is he driving or passenger?
Lavender.
Do you trust that guy Mike driving? Hey, Evan, Jaden!
I
Awesome, priceless! Let's get ready to rumble! We got him live up here. He wants a late model next year, Dad. What about you, sweetheart? Is your dad out here?
Yes,
What's he doing? Is he the driver of this?
yes.
Does he own this cool racetrack? All right, you guys. All right, we're ready up here in the grandstand. Mike, I got your daughter down here. She wants to do a countdown from 5. Are you race fans ready? Are you guys ready? Is everybody ready to rock and roll? Yes, we are. Countdown, Brad.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, go.
Oh, Tater, you're not racing?
No, Rick broke my truck.
All right, Brian, take it away, buddy. Thank you. All right, it's going to be interesting right now. Mike's got the advantage on the rest of the field. Everybody working hard. They'll go into turn number 3. Hey, how's that? You like that or what? Come on, come get some, baby. We love it.
Oh!
I'm going to be your spotter for a minute. That's kind of like a police chase, ain't it? What do they call that move? When they hit their left rear. I'll tell you what, man, he's throwing a lot of momentum for that big 17-ton mobile. What do you think? Woo! I think he's doing a good job. He's going to change things up, though.
Oh, stretch!
Come on! Come on, baby! Mike's having a good time behind the wheel of that van. Oh, man. That wasn't scripted. Let's have a nice round of applause for that contact. Yeah. Woo! Mike, you missed it, but it Mike. Yeah, what a ride, Brian. Woo! 10 more minutes, Gauntlet style. We'll get things cleaned up. Is that car going to be able to make it and roll
That
away?
thing still able to go?
Go!
Back her up. Come on, get some more.
Oh, God. Stretch is going to hurt
We're going
himself
to get the
severely.
driver back into that vehicle.
Dave's going to be like, why aren't you at work? He's like the gauntlet
Evan, where
race.
you at, buddy? Evan,
Right? If that.
Evan. Am I doing all right?
Yeah.
Is that you, Ev? Wave at me, buddy. All right, how am I driving, boy? Who's going to win this thing? I think I got a pretty good unit here tonight.
Mike, they ain't got nothing for you, man. Even if they do, you're pretty big and heavy.
Should I begin to take them out, or should I let them keep coming after me? What do you guys think?
Take him out. Take him out.
You need to go after them.
Eliminating them? Is everyone else